Okay, I got another bed full of stuff that I pulled up from over here, from right over there. Taking a break from the backyard today, and I'm working on the front yard. Change the scenery. Maybe it'll help me stay focused and feel like I'm accomplishing something. I got all these little weeds. Hacked up. I'm going to keep these branches and finish my little square off over there. If Abel will help me move them, straighten them out. Some of these will have to be cut. They want me to get rid of this, but this is my little fence barrier. It's part of my landscaping. And it keeps people from driving through there and up into here. Because for 20 years, I've had to put up with people driving up all the way up to there. See where it's cracked? Let me show you. That's where it's cracked, where it was hit by a truck, because they're driving up into my yard. So many years ago, I was given these rubber cross ties, and my dad helped me put those up so they would stop driving into my yard. I got all that chopped up because I don't know how to start that weed eater that my husband has, and somebody broke the electric one for me. It's not working. I'll have to see how I can fix it, if it's fixable. So this is my update. I'm in my front yard, taking a break from the backyard. Got my stuff right there where I'm fixing to start raking. And got my trash baggie so I can bag it up and put it on the truck. And hopefully people will leave me alone today and I can get a lot done. This is my yard update. I'm so tired.